All right, so this is going to be your volume review for your quiz tomorrow. So a closet is 3 feet deep, 7 feet wide, and 10 feet tall with volume. So a closet is a rectangular prism. So you're going to do V is equal to big B times H. So big B is base times height. So your base would be 3. Your height would be 7. 3 times 7 would be 21. So big B is 21. The height would be 10. So 21 times 10 is 210. Again, if I ever need to go, if I go over too fast, just ask the sub to pause it nicely, of course. All right, next one. The pyramid of life is a square pyramid that's 245 meters tall. The perimeter of the base is 720. How much buried treasure could the pyramid hold if it was perfectly hollow? So first off, a square pyramid. So I'm going to draw the base. So a square means that all 4 sides are equal. So the perimeter is 720. So the way that you find the perimeter is you have to add up all 4 sides. Well, since all 4 sides are the same, you're going to divide by 4 to find what the side length is. So when you divide by 4, you get 180. So each side length is 180. So now we actually can find the volume. So V is equal to big B times H divided by 3 because it's a pyramid. So big B is going to be base times height because it's a rectangular pyramid. So one of my bases is 180, and one of my heights is 180 as well because it's a square. So 108 times 180 is 32,400. So now we're going to plug that in. So big B is 32,400. And my height of this pyramid is 245. And then you're going to divide by 3. So you're going to do 32,400 times 245, and you get a big number of 7,938,000 feet. And then you're going to divide it by 3. Come on, pen. When you divide it by 3, you get 2,646,000. And if I could actually write this, there we go. So that's your volume. All right, let's do the next one. Number 3, a box of candy shaped like a triangular prism as shown below. How many cubic centimeters of candy can the box hold? Well, first off, your volume formula is V is equal to big B times H. Well, big B will be base times height divided by 2 because it's a triangular base. So base of the triangle is 4 and the height is 5, or you can actually have those flip-flop, it doesn't matter. So 4 times 5 is 20, divided by 2 is 10. My big B is 10 while my height is 10. So 10 times 10 is 100. Brianna's aquarium can hold 50 liters, which is equal to 50,000 centimeters cubed. That's the volume. So we're going to put a V over that. The base measures 10 centimeters by 50 centimeters. What's the height of the aquarium? So aquarium is usually a rectangular prism. So it's going to be V is equal to base times height, where B is going to be base times height because it's a rectangle. My base of the is going to be 10, and my height will be 50. So 10 times 50 is 500. So my volume is 50,000. My big B is 500, and my height is H. That's what we're looking for. So I'm going to divide 500 to both sides to find my missing H. So this cancels out. H comes down. 500 goes into 50,000 100 times. All right, next one. Number 5. The box of cereal has a volume of 245. So that's a volume. So I'm going to put a V over that. The area of the base is 49. So area of the base is represented by big B. What's the height? Well, a cereal box is a rectangular prism. So you're going to do V is equal to big B times H. Well, V is 245. Big B is 49. And you need to find H. So you're going to divide 49 to both sides. So 49 goes into 245 exactly 5 times. So the height of the box is 5 inches. All right. Number 6. A pyramid of the sun in Mexico. Each side of the base measures 320 meters and an original height of 59. How much treasure could fit in the side of the pyramid? So first off, this is a square pyramid. Okay, I know it doesn't say it, but it looks like it. And it only gives you 2 measurements. So you're going to assume that the lengths on the square are 320. So a square pyramid's volume is V is equal to big B times H divided by 3. Well, big B is just going to be base times height because it's a square or a rectangle. So you do 320 times 320. Well, 320 times 320 is 102,400. So you're going to plug that in. And your height is 59. So you're going to do 102,400 times 59. And when you do that, you get 6,041,600. And since it's a pyramid, you're going to divide by 3. So when you divide by 3, you get 2,031,866.6 repeating. So I'm actually going to rewrite that answer because it kind of looks a little bit sloppy. So your volume is 2,031,866.6 repeating. All right, that's the answer. All right, let's do number 7. Number 7, Ian's bedroom measures 12 feet by 10 by 5. How many cubic feet of space does he have? Well, so it's a bedroom, so you can just assume it's a rectangular prism. So V is equal to big B times H. So big B is going to be base times height because it's a rectangle. So my base would be 12, my height would be 10. So 12 times 10 is 120. So big B is 120, while my height's 5. So 120 times 5 is 600. All right, number 8. Daryl's going camping and is taking the tent shown below. How many cubic feet of space will he have inside the tent? Well, the volume is going to be V is equal to big B times H. Big B, in this case, is going to be base times height divided by 2 because it's a triangle. So my base of the triangle will be 6. My height will be 4. Well, 6 times 4 is 24. Divided by 2 is 12. So my big B is 12. So V is equal to 12 times height, which is 13. Well, 12 times 13 is 156. So the volume of the tent is 156. All right, number 9. A glass display box is shaped like a triangular prism. It holds 1,989 centimeters cubed. So that's your volume because it holds it. The bottom of the box measures 13 by 34 centimeters. How tall is it? So first off, your volume formula would be V is equal to big B times H. Big B will be base times height divided by 2 because it's a triangular prism. So the base of the triangle is 13 and the height is 34 divided by 2. So 13 times 34 is 442 divided by 2. So 442 divided by 2 is 221. So big B equals 221. So V equals 221 times the height, which I don't know. I have to go back and plug in my volume. So my volume is 1,989, which is equal to 221 times the height, which we're trying to find. So you're going to divide that to both sides. So 221 goes into 1,989 9 times. So the height of this glass display is 9. Okay, last one. So it says the Louvre Museum in France has a glass pyramid in front. The side measures 114 feet, and it reaches a height of 71 feet. How many cubic feet of water could this Louvre hold if it turned into an aquarium? So one thing you know, the Louvre is a square pyramid. So that means the bottoms have the same measurements. So the volume formula will be V is equal to big B times H divided by 3 because it's a pyramid. Big B would be base times height because it's a square pyramid. The base would be 114 feet, and the height would be 114 feet because it's a square. So you're going to do 114 times 114, which is 12,996. So you plug that in. So big B is 12,996, and the height of this pyramid is 71. So you're going to do 12,996 times 71, and you get 922,716. And you divide that by 3. So when you divide that by 3, you get 307,572. And that it will be the volume of it if it could hold water. Okay, that is your review. Again, you can always replay it if need be. You can also find it on Google Classroom and YouTube. Okay, guys, thank you. Good luck on your quiz tomorrow. I'll see y'all soon.